so we get our cucumbers in a pot. And since we have two different kinds, we get the other ones in another pot. Okay, so now put some vinegar. Okay, I cook by the eye. Makes it hard sometimes to follow. So let's say mi mamá me dijo que estas iban a ser dulces. So these ones are going to be the sweet ones. So they get 2 heaping spoonfuls of sugar, and this one is going to be milder in terms of how much sugar it has. Now I had mentioned how mustard gives it a special kick, so just a little dash. And we want to put a pickling spice. A little bit here, a little bit here. Some salt. The basic rule on how much salt is you put like the bottom of your palm for a flask. That's not very scientific, is it? And since these ones were too sweet, let's make them these a little bit spicy. So let's put some extra pepper on this one. So when your pickles when your cucumber to be pickled are boiling, you want to lower the heat so that they are not boiling too strongly, but you want to have them boiling. You don't want them just soft simmering, but you want a definite boil. And they smell good.